Here's how you can set a daily alarm on the iPhone, and let me show you exactly how you can do this. If it's your first time here on this channel, consider subscribing for more tips and videos like this one. So the daily alarm can be set up naturally inside of the clock app, which I'm personally using the built-in one from Apple. And when you go to the alarm section, so at the bottom you see like the world clock and stopwatch and so on, but part of the alarm you can set up a new one or create an existing one. And the whole point is that if we want it to be repeated daily, we have to set up that repeat option, right? And you can see that it doesn't show you the daily repeat, but you have to pick the days of the week. But that's not really an issue, because if you really want that alarm to be repeated every day, you just choose every single day from the week, and you give it a little check mark like that, and it just means that on every day the alarm will go off at that particular time. So that's how you can set it up. Of course, since we have more ways to customize it, you can choose it for weekdays only, or weekends only, however you like it. But that's the daily alarm, right? So if you want that, that's how you can do this. Some people also like the daily notification alarm reminder type of thing, and that can be done through the reminders app. So if you need like specific text or phrase to be reminded to you every day, it's better to use the reminders app, which actually delivers that notification. But for alarms, this is a great too. So I hope I can help you out. Let me know if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up for more, and I hope to see you later in the next videos too.